Sync your Outlook signature across devices. A how-to guide. Are you using Outlook as your primary email? If so, you may want to sync your Outlook signature across all your devices. In this guide, we'll show you how. How to sync your Outlook signature across devices. To sync your signature across devices, you need to log into your Outlook account on a computer and then go to Settings, then Option, then Email Signature. From there, you can select the signature that you want to use and click Save. If you'd like to have more than one signature, you can create more. Why an email signature is important. Your email signature is like a digital business card. It's a great place to put your name, title, a link to your website, and your contact information. How a digital signature can help you. For example, if you're sending a signed document digitally, a digital signature can prove that you sent it and by whom. This allows your recipient to trust that the document came from you and that it hasn't been altered in any way since it was sent. A digital signature allows you to keep track of all the emails that you send that requires a signature.